Obviously, if there are multiple good answers in here, don't cache isn't the solution, and given that this is the content of our lecture, we're going to continue with our caching. So let's look at these other three. Improve the cache to automatically expire after some time. I'm not going to count this as correct, although it is possible. And actually many caches, and the main cache we'll be talking about shortly, has this ability. But it doesn't solve our problem here, because if things automatically disappear out of the cache after some amount of time, there's no guarantee that that's going to coincide with our submission time. So let's look at the other answer. After submitting, clear the cache. Yes, this will work. This basically restores the cache to the state that it was in before we did a request. So you submit some art, we store it in the database, and then we blank the cache, and then the next page load clears the cache. Another answer, after submitting, update the cache. This also works, but it makes things more complicated. So in other words, after submitting a piece of art, we update the database and we immediately update the cache at the same time, so that the next page load of the front page has an updated version of the art. This would work, but it's more complex. So let's start with the first solution. After we submit, clear the cache.